Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be continuing hierarchical clustering, which is chapter number 3. So let's get on with the coding part. Number one step, we are going to be doing the EDA process. So first of all, we're going to import the pandas library, read the data set we have, and perform the EDA. So first of all, we're going to print the top 5 rows, information of the columns and the rows and how many and the data types. Now we're going to check if there are any missing values. And here we have. So as you can see, we have we have two three columns, which is like channel, rain, fresh milk, grocery, frozen, detergent, paper, and delicacy. So let's go ahead with the next step, which is to normalize the data, which means importing our dendrogram or hierarchical clustering. So from learned that pre-processing, we're going to import the normalize. So data underscore scale is equal to normalized data to make the data normal. And now data.scale is also equal to pd.dataframe. In brackets, we're going to write data underscore scales columns is equal to data dot columns. So here we're explaining it to the computer that we are scaling the data. And now we're going to print data underscore scale dot head means the top 5 rows of our new data, normalized data. Now we're going to import from scipy.cluster.hierarchy import s as shc. Now we're going to import the matplotlib.pyplot as PLD. So as you know, PLD is used for plotting a graph. And now we're going to figure the figure size is going to be 10 and 7. And the title is going to be the dendrograms. Now dent is equal to shc.dendrogram, shc.linkage, data underscore scale method word. What it is a method. It is the alignment that we are actually using. Now we're going to go ahead and plt.show. As you can see, first of all, we have this because we asked to print the data guard scale head. And if we scroll down in our output, we have our new dendrogram. So if we draw a line on 4, we have at least 1, 2, 3 clusters. If we draw on 2, then we probably have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 clusters. And just like that, it works. Now to move to our next step, which is to train the model now to identify it. So from sklearn.cluster, we're going to import the agglomerative clustering, and cluster is equal to agglomerative clustering and clusters 2. Affinity is Euclidean and linkage is word. Word is the type of linkage, and while Euclidean is the type of distance. Now cluster.fit predict data underscore scale. Data underscore scale is a variable, and we're asking agglomerative clustering to predict and fit it to make it understand it. So now we're going to plot the graph and evaluate the result. So PLD.figure, the figure size is going to be 10 by 7, and now we're going to scatter the data scale milk, data scale grocery, and seed cluster.labels. So we're focusing on grocery and milk here right now. And now plt.show. And this is our output. As you can see, there are scattered dots. There are 2 clusters over here. One is milk and one of them is grocery. And guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you understood it. If you had any doubts, then please do ask me in the comment section below. If you like this video, then you might think about checking my other video. So I'll see you there. Bye.